So, hello, ahlan wa sahlan. Hello and welcome, guys and gals. Yeah, Shabab. Um, Welcome to a brand new tutorial series. Long time no see, I know, but you figured out from the title, it is all about Vue. So, our task project comes to an end. As you might remember, we started with the backend part, which was written in Kotlin and Spring Boot. Then we did the infrastructure part on Linode, where we spin up an Ubuntu instance and configure Nginx as a web server and reverse proxy, so so we are able to use our own domain for our applications. And then we did the CI/CD part for the backend, and then I released a tutorial series all about Android development for the Task app. And now we come to the front-end part, which is about Vuetify. And it's a free application, but we use the component library Vuetify for it. And yeah, this is the tutorial series for it. So I would just wanted to show you the diagram for it. And now let's see the app. As you can see, this is the Task app. I know it's from the design, not the best app, but it does all the necessary CRUD operations. And as you can see, I mean, this is now live deployed on my Ubuntu instance with Nginx. And all the tutorial series are also linked below if you want to configure this for yourself. But this is the app we are going to do. Here are the open tasks, here are the closed tasks, here are all tasks. And of course, you can create a new task. You can edit an existing task. And of course, you can also delete the task. And yeah, this is our application for it, and you can view the details. And of course, you can also check it out in how does it look like on an iPhone, for instance, on a mobile device. Yes, this is what we are going to build in this tutorial series. It is based on, as I said, on Vue 3. We are using the Vuetify component library for it. And yeah, we will of course deploy like for Android the backend API on render.com. It's just easy going. Then you will see, okay, this is your API endpoint, which you can use for the CRUD operations. The API, when it's deployed, you will also have the Swagger documentation where you see all the endpoints. And of course, if you like to go through a written tutorial, here there will be 12 parts or 12 written parts on medium.com. And yes, I don't know how many parts this will be, this YouTube tutorial series will be, because I'm currently recording it. And of course, all the source code is always on my GitHub account. Here is the part for Medium, for the Medium tutorial, the code. There will be an extra repository, task minus app minus Vuetify minus YouTube. And yeah, and this I can show you also the code for it. As you can see, this is the code for it. We will have a Docker file for it. We will have where is it, Nginx config for it. And yeah, here we will have some shortcut commands to build the project, to run the dev web server, to run the linter. And as you can see here, some files, composables, a file for constants, an overall file for all the DTOs we have, a little bit of a layout, the pages, which are the few elements you see. And of course, we will use Pioneer for caching the data, and Axios for the HTTP requests. And yeah, I hope I didn't forget anything. I mean, you see all the technologies here we are using. It's built on Vite or Vite. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. We'll use, of course, vtest. I forgot this. Here we will have a test folder, as you can see. Here's a helper method for mock responses. Here all the tests I have written. Yeah, of course, from my tutorials, I always have an emphasis on testing stuff to write unit tests. Here we will only write unit tests, no integration tests or UI tests with Cypress, just unit tests for our composable logic here. And yeah, this is a tutorial series. We are going to start with creating a new project with Vuetify in the next one, and then we will go on, and at last at last we will of course deploy it. I will show you how you can deploy it. Of course, you can also deploy it on render, but if you have an own Ubuntu instance somewhere on GCP, on AWS, on Linode or DigitalOcean, you can deploy it there. And yes, so this, I hope I gave you a nice overview what we're going to do. And yeah, catch me in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the drill. And see ya. إلى اللقاء يا شباب.